I think for some people, it's better to have clarity. When you like someone or you love someone and you're not sure whether they like or love you back, it is very important to ask or have clarity. Kasi mas maganda na yung alam mo na sa umpisa para aware ka and yung fantasy mo mapalitan ng reality kesa mag-progress yung feelings mo from infatuation to love. And then later on, malalaman mo na hindi ka pala niya gusto. So, wag kang matakot masaktan sa umpisa pa lang. Kesa naman, nabigay mo na lahat, naubos ka na. Tapos malalaman mo na lang na yung mga actions niya pala is act of kindness lang. Ayaw niya lang napapahiya ka sa ibang tao. Gusto lang niya na alagaan ka because mabait siyang tao. Caring lang talaga siya. So, for you to save yourself, you have to ask first. And then later on, kapag alam mo kung saan ka lulugar, kung mahal ka niya, edi move forward. If both of you have that parang mutual understanding na okay, patuloy natin to, then go on. Pero kung ikaw lang yung nagmamahal tapos yung isa ayaw niya, then it's time to stop and stop being delusional. Kasi at the end of the day, walang ibang masasaktan kundi ikaw at ikaw pa rin.